Today I am opening my princess chocolate Kinder. I have a chocolate. Hey, that's my chocolate. I already opened two, so here it is. The two ones is these. Okay, let me open this one first. Oh my gosh, the first one that I got is Cinderella. That has pink dress. Look, so pretty. Look. Is it nice? And here's the collector's guide. Okay, let me put it back. Oh my gosh, I need to take off Cinderella. Oh. Oh no, I can't put it back. Okay, got it. Oh no, Cinderella. Okay, so okay, this other one is my favorite. And here's the collector's guide. And this I'm black color. Hey, now this is blue colored. And her name is Sleeping Beauty. Yes. No. Okay, I'm gonna open it. No, it's mine. It's my Kinder Egg. My Kinder Egg. My toy. Joe, just kidding. Just kidding. Come on. Now I show you this both one. I'm gonna put it there. When I got this toy. Right here. Cause I have a secret. You know where I got this from the other Kinder Egg? It's a limited edition. Okay, let's put it back. And this is my last egg from this one. Is this one? Ta-da! And there's my favorite character, Belle, over there. Okay, now let's start opening. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm licking already. I want chocolate. Can I just open it? Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, it cracked. I love chocolate. Oh my god. Chocolate and it's cracked. Oh my god. Give me my chocolate. Big. Okay. You can have chocolate because it's mine. I got it. Can I have a little? No. Can I have a little? It's mine. Okay. Here's the last one. Okay. Here's my Kinder Egg. Let's start opening. It's my favorite. I hope it's. Here's all of my options here. Ariel, the pink one, or Belle, the plain one, or Belle, the pink one. That's all of my options. You didn't know? Oh, please be something nice. 3, 2, 1. Again? What's that? Collector's guide, and look, I got another same one. Over here, look. The same. Okay, so it's fine because at least I got a toy. I'll put this back. Oh, Yosef, you're blocking the video. Oh, go. Okay, here's the Kinder Egg. Bye. Empty. No, it's not buy time. Time for flight time. Pack. Oh no. One fall. Hey, why did you block the way? Pack. You blocked the way. Pack. Oh no. my gosh. Can I see us? Can I see us? Ta-da! Okay. Can you throw this, please? Okay. And goodbye. See you for our next video. Subscribe for more channels. And see you tomorrow.